Hi dear kids. So in this video I'm going to talk about temperature. So what is temperature? Hotness or coldness of any body or place is called temperature. Suppose I'm showing you one experiment. I'm having 3 bowls of water. One hot, another is ice cold water and third one is simple water. If I'm putting my one finger in hot one, another in ice cold water, and when after some time if I will put both the fingers in the normal water, which one is hotter and which one is colder? Finger which I have dipped in hot water, I will feel cold in this one, and colder water when I feel in normal water, it is little bit warmer. So this is a kind of, we can say, temperature. I said we cannot rely on that. So how can we measure temperature? We can measure temperature with the help of thermometer. What is the meaning of thermometer? Thermo means heat. And heat expansion, this is a principle in which thermometer is working. So I have to explain you measures of thermometers and types of thermometers. Temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body or a place is called temperature. The terms hot and cold are relative terms. That is, a reference body is required with respect to which an object can be termed as hot or cold. Thus, we need an instrument to be accurate in measuring temperature. Measuring temperature. There are 3 scales: Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Celsius temperature scale, it is denoted by degree Celsius. The melting point of pure ice is taken as 0 degree Celsius and the boiling point of pure water is 100 degree Celsius. Celsius thermometer has equal 100 parts. The difference between these 2 points is divided into 100 degrees. Fahrenheit temperature scale, it is denoted by degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit thermometer has equal 180 parts. Freezing point of water is depicted as 32 degree Fahrenheit and the boiling point of water as 212 degree Fahrenheit on it. The difference between the two extreme points are divided into 180 degrees. Kelvin temperature scale, it is denoted by K. Kelvin thermometer has 100 equal parts. The expression which is used to convert Celsius scale to its Kelvin scale is minus 273.15. Types of thermometer. Thermo means heat in Latin language and it is based on the principle thermal expansion. There are 5 types of thermometer: laboratory thermometer, clinical, mercury, alcohol and digital thermometer. In laboratory thermometer, it is used in the laboratories to measure high temperatures while performing different experiments. These thermometers can be used to measure high temperatures of objects such as boiling water. The range of laboratory thermometer is from 0 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The laboratory thermometer is a long glass tube containing mercury in its bulb. As it is dipped in a hot object, the mercury from the bulb rises up the tube. Clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer is a small sized medical thermometer with finally standardized range to check the temperature of the patient. A clinical thermometer consists of a long glass tube filled with mercury at one end. The normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. It can fluctuate between the range 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Hence, the clinical thermometers have the range 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. On Fahrenheit scale, the value range from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Mercury thermometer. It is used in the thermometers as it is metal that remains liquid at wide ranges of temperatures. It melts at minus 38.87 degrees Celsius and boils only at 356.58 degrees Celsius. It is easy to see mercury due to its silver grey color and has a fair rate of expansion for wide range of temperatures. Alcohol thermometers. Alcohol is cheaper and less harmful than mercury and can measure up to minus 150 degrees Celsius, but it cannot exceed 78 degrees Celsius and therefore has a disadvantage. Digital thermometer. Body temperatures these days are measured using digital thermometers. Instead of mercury, they consist of a thermistor. Temperature displays on the liquid crystal display in digits. In this slide, comparison between Fahrenheit formula and Kelvin temperature scale. On the Fahrenheit scale, there are 180 degree Fahrenheit between the freezing and boiling point, and on Celsius scale, there are 100 degrees Celsius. There, the Kelvin temperature scale has 100 units between the freezing and boiling points of water. So now you have learned that we cannot rely on sense of touch for knowing hotness or coldness of any object. For that we have to use proper instrument that is called thermometer. You know about clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer, digital thermometer, how we are using and where we are using it, and what is the temperature of human body. Normal temperature of human body is, now you got it, 37 degrees Celsius. So hope you all have very much clear about heat and temperature. In my next video I will tell you about something new, so get ready for knowing new things. Stay healthy, stay blessed.